Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we're going to be comparing the RuggON Soul 7 tablet to the Getac F110 tablet. Well, Getac, they're tried and true. F110, it's been out for a number of years. I think they're on generation 7 as of the making of this video, and it's a decent little tablet. It works. The ports on it, you basically have all the ports that you would come to expect. It has a barcode scanner. The stylus is hidden back here behind the back, so it's not hanging off the side like the RuggON is. There is battery on the back here, and if we take a look real quick, you'll see there are 2 battery spots. This particular tablet only has 1 battery. You can use 1 battery, you can have 2 installed in there. The SIM card slides in right there. The batteries are rather large. Now the RuggON batteries, are back here, and they basically pop out. You don't have to take a cover off or anything. What I like about the RuggON batteries is that you can charge this thing up to 50% within 50 minutes. That, to me, is a phenomenal battery with a speed of charge that quick. You could be back in business pretty rapidly. What I like about the RuggON is the batteries are actually right on the back as the cover, so that they come right out and you're good. Here, I had to take this cover off and put it back on and make sure it's locked in so it doesn't fall off, and it kind of sticks out, where the RuggON is nice and smooth. Now, the RuggON has these sharp edges that raise about almost a 1/4 inch above the screen. And I'm thinking that this may protect the screen, I'm not sure, but they're rather kind of sharp edges. It's not smooth. Whereas on the Getac, it has nice smooth edges. There's no raised sharp edges. Now, the RuggON has a few more ports than the Getac has. Like, there's an Ethernet port on this RuggON, whereas on the F110, there's no Ethernet port, which may or may not be important to you. I don't know. They both have Wi-Fi. They both can do broadband. You can put the SIM cards. The SIM card slots are both behind the batteries. The RuggON has a larger screen and is touch with a 1000 nit rating. So you get a little bigger screen than the Getac, but you pay for it by the weight. So the RuggON's a little heavier than the Getac, which is lighter weight. So it just depends on what your application requires and what you need. That's basically all I got on these 2 units for you this week. Leave your comments down below. Like this video. Hey, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.